Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well today. Today I'm on here and I'm sharing with you about the upcoming workshops that will be coming up this year, and it's a lovely one-day workshop with some light yoga and meditation session, nature appreciation and art classes. So it's for people who love art and who want some time for self-care as well, or if you haven't practiced for a long time, this is a great way to kind of get back into it and be creative and reconnect with your intuition and with nature, and developing something that maybe you haven't had a chance to be around or be with for a very, very long time. A lot of the art I create myself, my own art, is inspired by nature, and I use a lot of these techniques, the meditation, the yoga and nature appreciation, as part of my own art practice, and I created this workshop so I could share these practices with you. I will have a link and a list of the upcoming workshops in the description. Please feel free to email me if you have further questions. I'll also leave my email address in the description for you. I hope you enjoy watching this little clips and snippets from my previous workshops. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the video. Bye for now. Bye.